Suzanne Altman is the technical manager for Metromont Corporation in Greenville, South Carolina. A member of the 2009 Leadership PCI class, Suzanne is highly active in PCI's work. She serves on multiple committees, including the Technical Activities Council, the Research and Development Council, the Standards Committee, and the PCI Academy Advisory Board. She worked on the 7th and 8th editions of the PCI Design Handbook and is a consulting member of the committee for the 9th edition. Suzanne is widely praised by her colleagues for her expertise, approachability, and dedication to advancing both the technical and educational aspects of PCI. Suzanne has worked with Engineering Ministries International, where she used her engineering skills to help design safe, quality structures built with local materials in India, Guatemala, and Jordan. For her commitment to PCI and the precast prestressed concrete industry, PCI is proud to award Suzanne Altman as a PCI Fellow. Amir Pham is the Associate Dean of Research in the Faculty of Engineering and Applied Science and the Donald and Sarah Munro Chair in Engineering and Applied Science at Queen's University, Kingston, in Ontario, Canada. Amir is an internationally renowned researcher in the field of composite material for new constructions and for retrofitting aging structures. He's the author of numerous papers, books, and technical reports, and has delivered keynote presentations at national and international conferences around the world. Within PCI, Amir serves on the Pre-Stressed Concrete Poles Committee, the FRP Composites Committee, the PCI Journal Advisory Committee, and the PCI Journal Awards Committee, which he currently chairs. He's esteemed by his peers not only for his scholarly achievements and contributions to the industry, but also for his ability to communicate effectively with a diverse group of people to achieve a common goal. For his commitment to PCI and the precast prestressed concrete industry, PCI is proud to award Amir Pham as a PCI Fellow. Lee Lawrence is the director of Wiss Janney Elsner Associates South Region and Practice Development Function in Austin, Texas. Lee has been a member of PCI since 1994 and has served on several committees over the years. From 2007 to 2012, he chaired the Concrete Materials Technology Committee and led the revision process for the new self-consolidating concrete guidelines. He was the final technical editor of the 4th edition of PCI's Quality Control Manual. Lee served on the Technical Activities Council for 2 terms and is currently a member of the Research and Development Council. Known for his expertise, dedication, and humble leadership, Lee continues to work toward the advancement of concrete material technology through his professional practice and committee work. For his commitment to PCI and the precast prestressed concrete industry, PCI is proud to award Lee Lawrence as a PCI Fellow. Clay Naito is a professor at Lehigh University in Pennsylvania, where he teaches pre-stressed concrete design and conducts industry-related testing projects. Clay is known for the significant research, education, and service contributions he's made to both PCI and the precast prestressed concrete industry. He's been a member of the Technical Activities Council since 2010, chairs the PCI Blast Committee, and serves in numerous other PCI committees, including the 8th Edition Industry Handbook Committee. Clay is heavily involved with the PCI Diaphragm Project and Fatigue Project and actively participates in and promotes the Big Beam Contest, where he won first place in 2013. Clay's research achievements have been recognized by the George D. Nasser Award and the Charles C. Zolman Award. He's a past recipient of the PCI Young Educator Award and PCI Academic Educator Award. For his commitment to PCI and the precast prestressed concrete industry, PCI is proud to award Clay Naito as a PCI Fellow. Art Schultz is a professor in the Department of Civil, Environmental, and Geoengineering at the University of Minnesota, Twin Cities. He's also the director of the MAST Laboratory, one of the top research laboratories in the country. In addition, Art delivers seminars on the design of precast prestressed concrete structures to local engineers. Many of these seminars have been sponsored by PCI Midwest. His research on precast and prestressed concrete has been widely published and garnered several PCI Journal awards. Art's peers and colleagues praise his vast knowledge and experience, as well as his invaluable contributions to the committees and councils on which he serves. These include the Seismic Committee, the Journal Advisory Committee, the Standards Committee, the Research and Development Council, and the Blue Ribbon Review Committee for the 6th edition of the PCI Design Handbook. For his commitment to PCI and the precast prestressed concrete industry, PCI is proud to award Art Schultz as a PCI Fellow.